What's up, guys? Today we're in Animal Company. I know I don't think I ever posted Animal Company before, but I just saw this video and it said Josh and Coda quit making updates. I don't know if that's true or not. If it's true, please tell me in the comments. But if it is true, I'm gonna be really sad because they were like my two favorite moderators and like update makers or whatever they were called. Coda was actually the best. I really hope they come back. Because if they don't, I don't think, like, why would they quit, bro? They were doing so good. Martin Lance. They're doing so good at making the game. And they just quit like that, bro? Like, Animal Company was one of the biggest games at one point. And they just quit? Like, no. No. Like, if this is true, Coda and freaking Josh, I'm gonna force them to get back to work. This game has come so far, and you're saying you're just gonna give up like that? Like, why? Like, why would they do that, bro? Like, if you ask what I'm making a... But honestly, why would they just quit like that? Like, Animal Company is literally, like, one of the biggest games. I can't believe they just quit. But if it's actually true, I think I'm gonna stop playing. Because as you know, the Mimic, or whatever he's called, whatever the guy. Oh, yeah, but they came so far in making a game, and they just stopped, and it's making me mad. I'm just making I don't even know. I'm gonna just make something and save it and go into public lobbies with it, if I even can. What are fans in again? Is it? I know it's in here. Am I blind? Yeah, I'm blind. I'm making a deadly weapon. If you hear talking in the background, it's just my parents and my family. Because it's my mom's birthday. Yeah. I need more goop. I'm gonna put one there. I really don't know what I'm making. I'm making a random Wolverine deadly weapon gauntlet thing. This is how you drive it. I need to add snowboards to the bottom. Oh. I need to add snowboards to the bottom, and then it can become a deadly weapon. Bro, when I was making my other build, putting the snowboard the snowboards on was annoying. But yeah. So I saw that video and it said, "Oh, they're probably no longer gonna make updates," and then someone said, "Oh, they might just make updates without them or without them," and someone said they can't do that. It's just annoying though, because I feel like if you don't know Coda, that's crazy. How? Coda is like one of the biggest moderators. I don't know. Oh, Drifter. Yo, that's cool. I don't even know what I'm building. What is this? Hold on. We're not done yet. I need more goop. More goop. Goop. What backpack do I have goop in? I don't think I have any more goop. Ooh. Not good. Oh, I actually have no goop. Oh, like do I actually not have any? Okay, I have some pieces in here. So the big green one. What? Hello? Okay. My idea is to put a piece of goop there. A piece of goop there. What did I throw that lance before? And who cares? I'll buy a new one. Lance? I have no money. If you guys think I have a lot of money, I started with 4 million, like, when I first played this. I didn't start with 4 million this day. Dude, whoever comes near me is just dying. I literally have deadly. It's just death. Death if you come to me. Here, I'm also gonna add. What's like a really OP weapon? I really want to get this. Do I have? Oh my! Oh, I just gotta. That give me that much. Let's add. You know what I want to add? I wanted to add 2 rockets here. I can just go fire the missile. Wait. This can't be a deadly weapon. Can't be a deadly weapon without this one thing. Oh my god. Why am I trying to put it on? I need the goop. The goop. I don't need the snowball. Okay, the goop is here. Goop goes there. Like, this probably might be. It's not a weapon, but it's useful. Here, that goop can go right there. It's in gadgets. This thing. And now, now it's the weapon. Oh my dog! Just don't look up. Don't look up. That's all I ask of you. I'm gonna point these forwards. Actually, I think it's better because I don't hit things. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, this is deadly weapon. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put like that to add 2 more fans. Yeah. I'm really just trying to make a death trap. I'm trying to make a one-shot thing. What am I doing? I need to put the goop. Oh my. Yeah, okay, that doesn't look nice. Yeah, make it look natural. That still doesn't look nice. Now that looks nice. Okay, who cares? I'm leaving it like that. Goop toss. Okay, now feet. Sorry. I'm actually not blind this day. Hey, how does that look? You think we could add 2 rockets on? Also probably gonna go play some more. What do you mean? What do I mean by some more? I always say like the wrong things. I meant to say, I'm gonna go play some Animal Rivals after I build this thing. Yeah. What's the sky? Snake attack. Slither attack. Oh, this is deadly. I need to put like 2 guns here. Oh, I don't have it though. Oh, you know what I was gonna put? I was gonna put one of these arms or something. Here, what we can put here. But we can put what's long, but it's not a lance because I don't want a lance. That looks bad. I need to fix that. Okay, this looks fine. I want to add an RPG, but I really don't. Here. Here, I'm making a utility thing. Like, look how smart I am. Oh, I'm so smart. The weapon. I think later I'm gonna add. Well, not later. I'm gonna add 2 RPGs here. But I don't want to spend money because. Wait, no. I could do that. I need more people. And that's what I don't have at all. I'm at. Chill. 3 more flashlights. 2 more flashlights. Yeah, I'm gonna blind anybody who comes near me. Let's see how this looks. It's not that bad. It could have been worse. My other one has like 1 million on it. Here, do I have any spear RPG? Those I don't want to use. The small ones I don't want to use. Okay, we have a boom spear. Okay, 2 boom spears. Let's go. Okay, okay, now I need to find goop. Okay, 1 plus the goop. This one. 2 pieces. Okay, here. Nope. Oh, my bearded dragon's moving. Okay, here. But I need to load them first. Oh, there's another $2,000 down the drain. Where is ammo? Hello? What's ammo in? It has to be in this. Yeah. Give me that. Give me. So give me. I actually really wanted to use the boom spear for this because it looks more like a. I I don't know how to say it, but it more like it looks more like a thing that would be attached. I don't know how to say that. Oh, I don't know if I can add it actually. Ooh, can I add it like? Oh my entire build. Here, could I add it like? This fan's gonna have to move over. Oh no, it can't be there because then it's gonna instantly blow me up. Nope, that's not look cool. If I shoot that, it's not gonna hit me. Yeah. Why did I do that? Okay, I'm gonna test this out. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh my god. Oh, I love this. Keep on wasting my money. Okay, now we know. Please don't tell me I have to pick it up. Okay, let's go. Dude, I have a weapon of... Click the wrong button. Okay, let's not click my trigger. If I click my trigger, I'm leaving. Okay, this no, this button. Please tell me I have an open space. If I don't, I'm... Okay, here, I can easily go get 3 research points. Please don't tell me that these spawns, because that took me like 10 minutes to build. Okay, I'm gonna just speed run trying to get 3 research points. Go. Okay, if I don't get any research points, I'm cooked. I haven't played this game in weeks, so research points easily. Why can't I have, why am I not getting research points? I haven't played this game in like a week. I should be able to get like research points for the thing. That's 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. Oh my god, Coda. Yo, oh my, that's lava. Oh, I'm sorry, I have to do this to you. I have to whack you. Ow, where'd you go? Ow, ow. Stop, Coda. What was her name again? Wasn't it like... Dude, I'm... I'm not getting any research points. I only have 1 out of 3. Whew. If you kill me, okay, 2 out of 3, 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Just please, one of you be a research. Be a please, dang it. Okay, I just need 1 more. If I get this one last, I told you, I just touched. Oh my god. If it despawned, I'm leaving the entire game, quitting Animal Company. I'm not even going the right way. It's up. If it despawned, I'm quitting Animal Company. Go, go, go. That is a weapon of mass destruction. Please tell me it's still there. Let's go! Oh my god. probably gonna cost like a quadrillion dollars. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay, it's down. I got it. 36 toast. 36 toast. Well, I guess I can just Oh shit. Okay. Oh, I'm stuck. Help, help, help. Oh yeah, guys. I'm not gonna be posting that much because of school. But on the weekends, I'm gonna try to post 3 videos a day. Yeah. But no. Oh, I just got blinded. Boom speakers. Nope. Get it out. Help. Nope, we're leaving. We're going into Animal Rivals. I know I don't even post Animal Rivals or Animal Company. Oh my god. But I want to. Oh yeah, tomorrow, me and Thomas also got kind of early access to the update. And tomorrow we're gonna check it out. Dude, oh my god. My controllers are busted. It's a giant crack. Oh my god. Ow. Hello? Hello? Okay. It works. Okay, I really want to put Katana, but then the double shotgun. Double shotgun's goaded.
First back, then Titan, then Titan Chin, then Titan Genie.
Bro, I'm
Titan
so close to Titan.
And then
I'm so close to Silverback. Silverback.
No, you're not. You're not even that close. Bro, it's not.
I'm not close to Silverback.
no, you still need
Hey, that
Rampager,
about to cook
Battle
y'all, by the way.
Commando,
That Glorilla's about to cook
Silverback. No, Battle Warlord.
I
Still
bet
a lot
y'all
of
this
ranks.
guy. I bet you all this guy right here could cook all y'all. Right, bro? Right?
Oh my god.
Yes, I
Guys,
can.
he's the best rank in the game.
He
Guys,
just
he's the
said
best
he
rank in the
can. He
game.
just said
He's
he
the
can.
best
Go
rank in the
1v1 him.
game.
Go 1v1 him. He said he
I'm
can beat you
bro,
all.
I'm gonna lose my
Okay,
win
come
streak.
on. Let's
If I
go.
go
You
against
want
him, I'm losing my win streak.
Why?
Yeah, that server sucked. They're just like, let's have one.
Who's trying to 1v1?
Me.
Alright, this is my first time playing, by the way.
I'll go easy.
Take me with a 1v1.
I'll go easy. Follow
me
me.
with a 1v1.
Follow me. Click join the code ATY.
Alright.
A
A
T
Y.
and then click enter. I swear if he doesn't join him, I'll beat him. Don't ask why I only have 27 bucks. I did not. Here, just because I'm going easy, I'm gonna unequip regular shotgun. And I'm gonna unequip auto. I'm gonna unequip auto and switch it with this. Actually. Oh wait, what weapons are you using? So white shirt?
I have Scar, pistol, and Scar. That's all I have.
Wait, pull them up. So that and that. Okay. Here, I'm gonna match your loadout. Okay, it should be. Oh, if we go in there and we don't join each other, just friend me real quick, so just in case.
Friend you?
Yeah, just in case.
Friend you? I bet.
Okay, friend.
Afra? I added you.
Oh, let's just click cancel. How do I accept again?
You gotta hold it down.
Add friend.
Do it with your hands. Drop to the floor. Now hold it down.
I think you gotta accept. I think you gotta accept.
Already accepted. Already accepted.
No, I don't have you. Okay, let's just go. Oh my god, they nerfed Katana. Oh, yes, it worked. They nerfed Katana. So there should be, might suck
I
because
want blue.
They nerfed Katana, and I'm mad about it. Dude, why'd they make the dash so bad? Here, I'll let you pick map. I'll let you pick map. I'll let you
I
pick.
can pick map.
I swear, if you pick
Random.
ma-
Random.
you didn't even
Random.
pick. You're not even holding it. Okay. It's not fair. My controller just died. Hey,
Lord.
bro, my controller just died. This is not fair.
Match starting.
Dude, my controller just died. I'm flipping disabled.
Round starting.
Well, I guess it is kind of fair. But my controller's dead. I can't even switch between weapons. I'm getting stuck on everything. This is not fair. This is not fair. Come on. I'm getting stuck on everything, bro. Because my stupid...
Round starting.
Okay, if I lose, it's not my fault. I have one controller. I don't even have my mains. Oh my, it's not letting me switch sometimes. Please. I can't move. Help. Dude, no. Okay. Bet, bro,
Round
bet.
starting.
Yo, we should do a rematch when my controller's actually charged. Help. I'm getting stuck on everything. This is not fun. I'm getting stuck. Spray him. Spray him. Bro.
Ooh, I ran out of ammo. You were so lucky.
I ran out of ammo. Dude, I hate this. Why do they have to make the controller disconnect like that? Make it like Gorilla Tag where it goes on your chest. It's so much better like that. Why? Bro, this is the controller with my joystick drift. This is not fair. My joystick joystick drift controller. Actually, I can kind of use this to my advantage. Hold on. Hold on.
Round starting.
Hold on, I might be cooking. Oh my god, no, I'm getting stuck. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
How?
Okay, guys, this is not how I really play. I just have one hand and I can't really move. No, I don't. You're standing
Round
still.
starting.
Oh, that's not good. No, I don't. I can prove it. Look, I just missed a shot. Watch this. Fine. I'll do melee only. I'll do melee only. You can do guns.
Gotta play for real.
Oh my god, I'm getting stuck. My god, if the dash wasn't on Katana, I think I would have actually been. I'm stuck. No, I'm actually stuck. I can't reach anything. Oh, there we go. Dude, I'm stuck. The hay bales are annoying. Let's go.
I want my rematch. I want my rematch. I want my rematch.
Okay, clicked it with my non-functioning hand. Okay, can we
Taking
do
a
a rematch? Hold on, wait. Can we do a rematch when my controller works, please? Like, can we?
Nah. Forget that.
Fine, I'll destroy you again.
Bet.
I'm equipping this now. Oh my! I hate arena. Oh
Match
my!
starting.
Why? I'm gonna get stuck on everything. Here, I'm gonna do melee only,
Round starting.
just to go even more easier. Like, you have guns. If you lose this, that's skill issue. Dude, my hand just saved my life. I'm getting stuck. Okay, that's it. I might have to pull out guns. Beep beep, boop bop. Dude, I'm stuck. I can't move with one hand. Like, jump! Get on my chair. I'm literally floating.
Round
That
starting.
brothers. Okay. You say womp womp?
Swap. Oh my god, my weapon don't want to swap. Oh, I thought I shot when you were using this.
Round
You
starting.
know what's crazy? Even though this guy's a chip recruit, he's good. And I have one hand. That's annoying.
Why?
Dude, if I had two hands, this would be 5-0.
Oh my god.
Help!
My boundary.
Help!
My boundary.
Dude, you can't be making excuses, okay?
Mom, dead ass.
Round starting.
Nah, you're making excuses. Oh, now I know you're low on ammo, so I can just...
Not low.
Yeah, on your pistol, you're not. Oh, I guess I have to melee you to death. Where the... I'm getting stuck. I hate when you go in these boxes. I get stuck everywhere. Well, and they're giving me time to reload my auto shotgun, which is bad.
Lucky.
Okay, time to go. And pop.
How?
Because I'm good.
Aimbot, bro.
Oh my god, auto shotgun shoots 5 bullets and it's rapid.
Round starting.
Not aimbot. Every gun in this game takes skill. Every weapon in this game takes skill.
You lucky because you have a auto shotgun.
I have one hand. I'm going easy.
You have a auto shotgun.
Round starting.
And I have one hand. Fine, I'll go melee.
That's why are you winning?
Okay, if I win with melee, there's no excuses. No excuses now.
GG.
I think he's mad. Okay. I can finally go charge my controller.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Oh my gosh, shut the hell up, bro. Nobody wants to hear you yap. Get mad that you lost. Like, goddamn. You
That's
just
how I
mad.
know you're fucking like it.
You just mad, bro. You just mad.
You mad because your mama broke.
She's not. How would you know? Where the hell is my controller? Like, guys, this is why I hate people. They're just toxic. Animal Rivals community sucks. Especially this kid. Bro gets freaking mad over somebody beating him. He just starts crying about it. Not in. I'm probably just gonna be chilling here until my controller charges for a little bit, so you probably want to skip through this part. Because I'm literally doing nothing. I'm probably just gonna be sitting here watching YouTube. Ow. Bro, I was scrolling on YouTube, and I saw one of the videos, like, it's in Gorilla Tag with full body check, and it's like, when I get birthday money, and my mom or something, and she's walking over, and then in the comments he said, anyways, here's a brownie. Here's a brownie recipe. Bro, I hate people who just clickbait. Like, guys, if you ever see someone with, like, saying, oh, I'm gonna donate 50,000 Robux. Oh, I'll comment on your video if you remix this and use this sound. Don't do it. They're not gonna do it. It's fake. Only, like, some will do it, but it's all fake. They're never probably gonna do it. And also, they're just trying to get, like, views and money. So, yeah. It's like, someone, if they use, like, you know, Blox Fruits, they do, like, a Blox Fruit video, like, giving some, what? No. They say, oh, thank you for using my sound, and give a perm dragon. Fake. Okay, I'm gonna unplug my batteries and hope it's just gonna play for a little bit. Yep, it's dead. Wait, hold on. Yeah, we're gonna be going in public now. Kids too. That's fine. I'm probably gonna die immediately though. Oh my god, I forgot I'm in private.
It says it. You can go search it up.
How come all my friends
How do I
like
Move.
9, 10, 11?
Okay.
And they
Okay, I don't. That's not the same guy. I thought that was the same guy. I'd easily beat in a 1v1. What the fuck? You dancing?
Are you good?
Are you good?
No, my controller's gonna die. What map?
Bro, why did I get this?
This
God,
map?
my team, bro.
This map?
Jimmy, are you good?
Cause you did.
I am.
Shut up, bro. I know you're not
Suck
good.
my fat one.
He's saying that. Mmm.
Suck my
Match starting.
fat one, motherfucker.
Bruh.
Round starting.
If I die, I'm gonna give away $500. No. Only I can use auto shotgun. That's so mean, bro.
Stop third party.
Third partying? What? Stop third partying? What do you mean, bro? I died.
Round
Third
starting.
party is whenever a second, third team comes in.
What is this guy saying? Third partying?
Yeah.
What do you mean by third partying? Dodge auto shotgun and spray him with auto shotgun. Yes, Uzi. What?
It is not easy.
Oh my god, I hate you. I'm joking.
Round starting.
Yeah, I never heard someone call it, yo, let's pull out the ooze. Oh my god, I missed my regular shotgun hits. That means I'm low and I'm dead. They're thinking my teammates.
Teammate, they're both low. You better kill them, bro.
I'm dead. What do you mean they're both low? Yeah, I'm dead. What do you expect?
Teammate, where were you?
You want to know where I was? In heaven.
Round starting.
Because I'm getting flipping double teamed with auto shotgun and shotgun. Now I'm gonna punch you in the face. Oh, my controller's dead. My controller's dead. My controller's dead. My controller. Oh, okay, no, it's not.
Bro,
My controller's at 1% or 10%. It's gonna die in like 2 seconds. So if I go disabled for like
Round
10,
starting.
it's because my controller's dead. Nope, get away.
Carrying you right now.
Carrying? What do you mean by that? You're not carrying him.
Bro, I'm at least getting you back to law. At least I'm landing my shot. Bro.
Cry about it, cry about it, Ed, cry about it. Bro really said a bad word for no reason. Cause he
Round
killed,
starting.
he got killed. Bro, oh my goody gosh. So embarrassing.
Yeah, and then I get double teamed by them, and then my teammates over here. Bro.
Bro's in La La Land.
I got $1 billion.
I got 2 cents.
Round starting.
Bro, I could probably do better without my teammate.
Are you sure about that? Let's go.
I
Let's
don't
go.
really care. My teammate was Buns, and he just asked if I was Buns.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That was easy. Oh, my controller's dead in like 2 minutes. What the frick? How do you have some?
Wait, is that you?
Perfect. Am I still silverback 1? Am I still silverback 1? Hello?
Yo, you're silverback high.
Okay. No, I'm not. Hold on.
Yeah, you are.
I don't know. He's an Apex King. He went on my team. Oh, wait, he's an Apex. This is fair.
Apex King. Yes.
He's an Apex. This is fair.
Teammate, this one. Pick this one.
Do not pick that one. Stop.
Yeah.
Hey, good luck. Good luck.
Good
I swear,
luck.
if you get mad at me for
Nice.
using this, I'm gonna come to your house.
Match starting.
Alright, teammate, we got this. We can win.
Round starting.
Okay, they're targeting me because I'm using auto shotgun. Okay, be careful. I forgot I don't have freaking katana.
Well, I'm sorry. 80 on that guy.
Got him.
Up on me.
My aim is really bad. I'm sorry.
It's fine. I really need you to lock in though, because I definitely can't do this alone without a teammate.
Oh, I was one shot
teammate.
anyways.
You're carrying an Apex King. How do you feel? You're carrying.
Scared.
Round starting.
Because that was just lucky. Oh, that's not good. You both of them. What? Damn it. Come on. No.
I hit
Alright,
40 on
guys.
this. That's it.
One.
That's crazy. I'm
Teammate, lock in, bro. Lock in. Lock it. Oh,
I got it.
I said
I'm
lock it. I meant
Round
lock in.
starting.
Oh, I know where green is. I know his location at all times. Okay, white is extremely low. White is like literally one tap.
White.
I literally got him 161, I'm pretty sure. Just like one would ever hit. And that guy's not the one shot man.
Okay, he's low.
Dead. Frick, I killed one.
Let's
That's my
go.
bad. No, I wasn't able to dodge enough bullets.
It's fine.
Round starting.
I just hate this map. Why would you guys pick this map?
Because,
It's the worst map known to man. Teammate, no.
yeah, nice.
Teammate, I can't do this. Let's go.
Nice. Hey, you can do this.
I have 20 HP.
Round starting.
Apex King, you need to lock in. Go your beast mode, bro. Beast mode.
There's one sticking up.
Green's dead. No, he's not. Huh? I hit him like 286. Green's literally one tap. He's literally one tap. Be careful right there.
Yes.
What?
Oh my gosh. Dude. Why? Why then? Dude. I got him down 162 after you got the green guy.
Teammate, don't
Double
rush.
67,
Oh my.
67.
Got green guard. Green's dead.
Good
Good job.
Teammate!
My hand is
I have 1 HP. I can't win this.
I got the green guy down 134 and then another 40. Oh my gosh.
Round starting.
Oh.
You're good, teammate? Did he do too much damage?
No, I didn't take a single hit, actually. Oh, be careful. Green's right there. Oh, so is white. Oh, green and white are right there. Green's dead. I'm
Okay,
dead.
this kid is what's that?
Wait, can you mark him? Where is
He's rushing towards you. He's right on the. Let's go!
I didn't even see him.
If I didn't reload my gun, then I would have been. I almost sold that teammate. Holy crap!
Oh my god.
Round starting.
We gotta make a big comeback here. A one.
36 on 1. 36 on 1.
I can't do long range. I can't do long range like that. I'm dead.
Dead.
I got double teamed.
That's okay,
I did
teammate.
like 20
It doesn't-
damage to
Doesn't
green.
matter what strategy they use.
I got like
damage on
20
green.
damage to green. He's green's rushing. He's on top of that blue killer.
Alright, 110.
Go
teammate,
green.
110.
White is by where we spawn. Oh, white's right there. Let's go, teaming.
I didn't walk in.
Okay, teammate, sudden death.
Oh, what?
I'm gonna try and lock in.
Round starting.
Yes, teammate, that's good.
Oh, I hit 37.
37 sick. Oh
I don't
no, no, both on me.
Teammate, no.
120 on white, that's it. 120 on white, that's it.
No, teammate. Oh my god.
Watch out.
Green's dead.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Teammate.
Dude, if I didn't one-shot green,
Hey, you guys.
GG's.
Good job.
GG's. You guys are great.
Nice.
Bro, if I didn't one-shot green, I would have been
You want
cooked.
to do one more game or not? One more game?
No, wait, what the...
If I didn't one-shot this guy, I would have been cooked.
Hey, have a
Alright,
nice
see
day.
y'all.
Have a nice day. See you guys.
You too. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Anybody want to play duos with me in here? We
Look
can't.
how shaky my hand is. Holy crap, that's so much adrenaline.
Hold on, I'm ending the video.